welcome back. Today I thought it'd be a good idea to show you what Louie's diet is. It is a variety of things, not just seeds. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So what is inside their meal? We've got seeds. Now this is just a parakeet budgie mix, small bird mix. So you can see there's a few different varieties of seeds in there, grains. There's also some shell, I believe, for some calcium. I got this at my local bird shop. They specialize in birds. Next, I do a fruit blend. Little small pellets. I just do a small bit of this. You'll probably hear Marley in the background. Hi, Marley Bear. Marley, say hi. Oh, Marley says hi. Oh gosh. Marley just turned 12 a couple of days ago. Huh, Marley? She's a good girl. And lastly, I do some greens. Here I just thawed some spinach and broccoli, some organic spinach and broccoli from the garden. I have a bunch of bags in my freezer that I keep throughout the year. I grow a bunch of my food and store it and try to make it last until next season. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the greens. Is that in focus? Not too sure. Okay, I'm gonna start with the greens. I've got about a fourth of a cup. And because there's two of them, it usually lasts them the entire day. I'm gonna be cutting it up into small pieces because they're such little birds. So all I'm doing is taking my scissors and cutting up mainly the broccoli, really, just into a little bite-sized form for them, so it makes it a little easier for them. Just slice it and dice it. So I take my handy-dandy stir stick. Gotta have one of these, super important. And I'm gonna do just like half of this for now. Okay, so about that much. I got this stainless steel bird feeder bowl online at Amazon. I could link it down in the description. It's nice having this, super easy to clean. It came in a pack of 2 and arrived super quickly. I don't have Amazon personally, but my sister works for them, so I usually just buy stuff through her if I really need to go buy something off Amazon. But if not, I usually try to buy stuff local because I love to support the community around me. But if you can't find it locally, I've got the link down below. Okay, anyway, so the next thing I'm gonna add to the spinach and broccoli are is the mixed seeds. 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 scoops of these. I actually prefer to just eat out of this one bowl, so I let them. And then with the pellets, the flavor pellets, I do about 2 scoops. 1, 2. It actually took a while for Louie to get used to eating the pellets. He was not a fan of them. He would actually throw them out of his food dish and refuse to eat them. But after I started mixing his food like this, he is all about it. Yum, yum, yum. It's a good mixture of everything. I know it's really hard. Some birds only like seeds, but this is a good way to start introduce some veggies or even the pellets into their diet. And if you need to up one, you can. Like if you need to up more of the veggies and lessen the pellets, you can, or vice versa, or some of the seeds. You can kind of play around with it. But I know with my birds, they definitely eat the seeds first and the veggies, and they will leave the pellets. But eventually they will get through it. But I'm gonna feed Louie and Mochi, and I will roll the footage. Here, I'll set it down here. Hi Mochi. This is Mochi, our newest addition. Still a young one. Pretty sure it's a boy. This ear's kind of bluish purple. We will see. But him and Louie are getting along really well. Oh.